Is there any cost involved in installing Android TV on a Samsung Smart TV?
Hey there, welcome to our video. Today, we'll be discussing whether there is any cost involved in installing Android TV on a Samsung Smart TV. If you're curious about turning your Samsung Smart TV into an Android TV, then you've come to the right place. Let's dive in.
What is Android TV?
Before we talk about the cost, let's first understand what Android TV is. Android TV is a smart TV platform developed by Google. It is based on the Android operating system, specifically designed for televisions. With Android TV, you can access a wide range of apps, games, streaming services, and other features on your TV.
Android TV on Samsung Smart TV.
Now, let's get to the main question. Is there any cost involved in installing Android TV on a Samsung Smart TV? The answer is no. There is no direct cost involved in installing Android TV on a Samsung Smart TV. Here's why. Samsung Smart TVs run on a different operating system called Tizen. Tizen is developed by Samsung and has its own ecosystem of apps and features. It is not possible to directly install the official Android TV operating system on a Samsung Smart TV. However, that doesn't mean you can't enjoy Android TV features on your Samsung TV.
Alternative options.
While you can't install the official Android TV operating system on a Samsung Smart TV, there are alternative options available that can give you a similar experience. One popular option is to use an external device called an Android TV box or an Android TV stick. These devices connect to your Samsung Smart TV through HDMI and essentially turn it into an Android TV. They run on the Android TV operating system and provide access to the same apps, games, and features you would find on a native Android TV.
Considerations.
When considering an Android TV box or stick, it's important to note that there may be a cost associated with purchasing the device itself. The prices of these devices can vary depending on the brand, specifications, and additional features they offer. However, once you have the device, there are usually no additional costs involved in using the Android TV features. It's also worth mentioning that while an Android TV box or stick can enhance the functionality of your Samsung Smart TV, it's not an official integration. Some apps or features may not work as seamlessly as they would on a native Android TV, and software updates might depend on the device manufacturer rather than Samsung. To wrap things up, installing the official Android TV operating system directly on a Samsung Smart TV is not possible. However, you can still enjoy Android TV features by using an external device like an Android TV box or stick. While there may be a cost involved in purchasing the device, there are usually no additional costs once you have it. Keep in mind that this is not an official integration and some limitations may apply. We hope this video has clarified any doubts you had about installing Android TV on a Samsung Smart TV. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.